Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Google Pixel 8 Pro with a very funky display and it's not working, and let's go fix it. So this Google Pixel 8 Pro has a crack on the bottom part of the display, and at the back you can also see quite a damaged back cover, and it's not working. The touchscreen is very shoddy, it's not reliable. Whenever you swipe up, it's not registering properly, so it's a cracked display that's affecting the touch functionality of the display. Some displays can be cracked, but the touch is still okay, the colors are still okay, and this one needs a new display, obviously. So we're gonna open it up, starting with the front display. We're gonna slide our prying tool on the side here. We pry it open slowly so that we don't damage other components inside. We're spraying some IPA alcohol on the sides. The adhesive on this one is quite tenacious, so it needs a bit of encouragement. You need to soften it up so you can put more prying tools on the gaps here and lift it up. We're not gonna reuse the display, we're gonna be putting it in our recycling bin so it can be disposed of properly. And during the process, some cracks may appear because we're putting force on an already stressed material, so we can get more cracks during the process of removing the display. But you can see here that the adhesive is still very tough to remove. So we're gonna resort to slicing with our X-Acto tool, and there it is. It's now lifted up. We're gonna remove the bracket that's securing the display connector. It's one connector, and we're gonna open it up. Of course, the adhesive is still very strong. It is an indication that this 8 Pro has not been opened before. So this is factory adhesive. We can still reuse the adhesive, to be honest. It's why David is taking his time keeping it intact. So if you have the factory adhesive, it's most likely waterproof if the manufacturer stated it. But if you open it up and put your own adhesive, like what we're about to do on this device, then it's not going to be guaranteed waterproof. We're going to remove the fingerprint scanner underneath the display from the old one. The new one that we have does not come with the fingerprint scanner, and the data for the fingerprint is in this device. So we're just going to remove this. This is very sensitive, very flimsy part of the phone, so it's gonna be tricky to remove, but not for David. He's an expert, so he's got the tools and the sleight of hand to remove this fingerprint scanner, and there you go. It's removed. We're gonna put that on the side, to the side, and focus our attention to the prepping of the housing. The housing itself looks fantastic. The internal components, no damages. The display and the back cover has taken all the impact and in the process cracked. So we're gonna transfer the fingerprint scanner, align it with a notch on the display, and we'll install it. It's not the final install yet. We're gonna test it to see if it even works. And there you go, it works. Cameras are all working. The buttons, touchscreen of course is working. one thing we need to test now is the fingerprint scanner. We will try to enroll our fingerprint, David's fingerprint, that is. Well, I guess we'll not do that. We're just gonna restart the device and see if it charges or testing. There you go, it's, yep, still successful. We're now on the home screen, and now we can enroll our own fingerprint, and now it's registering a new fingerprint. So no need for us to complete that. It's okay. It will proceed now to the reassembly and final testing of this device. There's some bends on the corner here. David is very meticulous when it comes to this, so it's gonna take a bit of time. I'm gonna prep the housing some more. What else should we do? The adhesive strips will be reused, but some areas need to have fresh layer of our adhesive, or all of them. Now we're gonna use our own adhesive. This is gonna be 2 types of adhesive into one. It's gonna work. I trust David. And that's why you need professional technicians like David here, so you have the ability to reuse broken smartphones with broken displays and extend their life. That's David there. He's thrilled with the results of this repair. And if you're interested in what we offer here in the shop, you can visit our YouTube channel, you can visit our Facebook page, or you can even leave a comment on this video so we can see it. If you have a Google Pixel 8 Pro or an iPhone or an Asus ROG phone, don't hesitate to message David and we'll fix it for you. And we'll even throw in a free tempered glass if you go visit us today. So that's it for us. Like and subscribe, guys. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Peace.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.